Alright, how's everybody doing here? We got one raking, one teddin, and one's going to be baling here in a minute. And I got my bearings straight here, we're ready to roll. Oh, I got it rolling backwards. Hey, must be a lot thicker than what I thought it was.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
You can't fly a drone and this kind of shit at the same time. Low battery warning. This is second cutting. Pretty good stuff. Yeah, we got a guy who wants 150 round bills, second cutting. So, there you go, buddy boy. And my bale's done. Get over here a little bit and I'll turn around. I must have been taking a drink when I got that, missed that spot. We got 3 bales there. 1, 2, 3, 4 more down there, and I'll show you. I was stuck down there, boys. You believe that shit? Yeah, I was stuck. I knew it was wet, and I tried backing up, but I didn't back up in time. Or I went down too far, and it just sunk right in. Oh, I had to pull it out. This here is an auto wrap, or an auto tie, but for some reason it's not working right. So we gotta do it manual. Otherwise it just does it all by itself, beeps and carries on. I always put a couple more seconds towards the end of the bale. That way when they pick it up, it don't fall apart. Yeah. I just had a baby. You guys want to see my baby? I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but let me get this mess cleaned up here and I'll show you my baby. Popped it right out of the oven just now. No pain whatsoever. There my baby is. Hey. My baby. Going 7.8 mile an hour. Yeah, slow her down a lot right here because it was rougher than sandpaper. Her see? No big deal. This is a 451 round baler, if anybody was wondering. Come up here and get this little chunk. Corn looking fairly decent. Not too bad, I guess. Well, how can this thing look awful dark? Maybe because it's my lens, I don't know. Cover I meant. And way over there is that field we just seeded down last Thursday. See, up on the mud on the rim, I had her pretty well buried. I got some mud up on the steps there for a little spinning. Started spinning, so I jacked her down that way, and well, I didn't make it. But you can see she just sunk right out of sight. Ah, shit. The baler is what got me hung up, I think. It just sunk right down. You can see there, probably up to my knee, how deep it is. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys are going to see that or not. Oh well. Shit happens, I guess. What are you going to do? Wait for it to get wetter, I guess. That being said, I'm going to end the video right here. Thanks for watching. Oh no! And my baby again. Another baby. My baby's right there. Baby little drone. Thanks for watching.